Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.
Jil Auto, which appeared on the Georgian market in September 2023, has represented a new model, Jil Tugella, this year. According to Georgi Shakarashvili, commercial director of Jil Sakartvelo, the company sold 51 Cool Ray models during 3 months last year. As he notes, high demand on Jil Cars is determined by the affordable prices. Prices of Jil models range from $19,000 USD to $35,000 USD. We are glad that the interest towards Jil Cool Ray was very high since its introduction on the Georgian market. The model is really special due to the number of features, but the sales figure has exceeded our expectations, Georgi Shakarashvili, commercial director of Jil Sakartvelo, said. As for the new model, Jil Tugella is equipped with a 4-cylinder 2-turbo gasoline engine that produces 238 horsepower. In addition, the commercial director of the company states that in 2024, Jil Auto will offer about 8 models to Georgian customers. Company Jil Auto, part of Jil Cars, has been operating on the Georgian market since 2023. The company is the only authorized importer of Chinese auto giant in Georgia. In addition, the company also offers regional parts and warranty services to the customers. Jil Cars are distinguished by safety system integration of modern technologies and affordable prices. Ojakhuri, the founder of company Askaneli, declares that labor force shortage is noticed in all segments, including the production lines. The businessman cites immigration as the main reason for the challenge. It's quite difficult to find highly qualified winemakers. We also have problem in the engineering direction. From a technical point of view, there is a shortage of professional agronomists. Immigration is a very bad trend in our country as labor force is flowing out from the country. However, despite all this, our company is growing. We look at the future with optimism, said Ojakhuri. Company Askaneli was founded in 1998. The company owns hundreds of hectares of vineyards, 2 winemaking facilities in Kakheti and Tbilisi, and 1 fruit distillery in Guria. In addition of production, more than 60 denominations of wine, company produces aged brandy, chacha and brut. The concept store of Crosty, located in Melikishvili Street, will be closed on March 1. The brand will continue to sell its products online and will mostly focus on the US market. Shota Mikaya, co-founder of Crosty, told BMDG, Crosty concept store, a unique space that combines modern shopping experience and art, will be closed on March 1. This decision was not easy to make, but it was based on the brand's global development strategy and readiness to start a new exciting journey. We are proud that we were able to create an outstanding place in Tbilisi that has hosted many social and cultural events. Together with our creativity, by processing the works of Georgian artists, we have been connecting people interested in art for years. We sincerely thank our team and loyal community. Your support has made this space a symbol of creativity and freedom, reads the letter sent to the customers. According to the company's financial report, Crusty's assets amounted to 1.6 million lari. Its largest shareholder is Golden Food Investment. 90% is owned by Zaza Pachulia and 24% by Georgi Mikaya. Cosmetics of Rukhi Queen we exported to Qatar in February. The founder of the company, Tamar Kvaratskhelia, told TV program Women's Narrative, Rukhi Queen produces 14 types of cosmetics made of completely natural products, honey, wax and propolis. In the Arab market, the price for Rukhi Queen cosmetics ranges from 50 USD to 70 USD. Qatar turned out to be quite a comfortable market for our company in the direction of honey. We have been operating in this market for several years. However, exporting Georgian cosmetics turned out to be a great novelty and challenge for us. We have been working on the content for more than 2 years and the result did not delay. We started 2024 with the cosmetics exports, said Tamar Kvaratskhelia. According to her, with the help of our partners, they plan to open a Rukhi Queen brand store in summer. Rukhi Queen appeared on the market in 2019. Its honey is already available in Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. Enamel producing social enterprise Ikorta is planning to build a new space where master classes will be held. Anna Holouri, communications manager of the enterprise told BMWG. According to her, the enterprise has started cooperation with the company Interopedia, which owns financial resources for strengthening the social projects. With the support of Interopedia, we are planning to build a completely new space in which masterclasses, conversations, discussions and presentations will be held. At the same time, the existing workshop will continue to function, said Ojakhuri, adding that about $20,000 is planned for the construction of additional space. In 2023, the company launched a silver collection line which features Georgian symbols. The demand for this product led to the fact that Ikorta plans to increase its silver production by 20% this year. Social enterprise Ikorta is Enamel workshop which started its activity in 2011. Confectionary sugar-free, which has been operating in the market for 2 years and includes 3 branches in Tbilisi, plans to place an island counter in shopping mall this year. The co-founder of the confectionary facility, Rukhi, told BMWG that the first meeting with one of the shopping centers is planned soon, where they are going to discuss all details. The demand for our products on the market is growing, especially from foreigners. We want to set up our island counter in the shopping center. In addition, we want to develop in the B2B direction and increase the number of partner facilities, says the entrepreneur, adding that they are also thinking about increasing the assortment. According to her, it's planned to revise the menu after the Easter holidays. As for the challenges, according to Rukhi, due to the fact that sugar substitutes and various ingredients are brought abroad, the cost of their products is determined by the price of raw materials. But last year, during the period of reduction in the price of raw materials, confectionery even managed to make some products cheaper. Lamp manufacturing company Lampino plans to launch a new production direction this year. Ketinozadze, the founder of the company, told BMWG about this. According to her, for the purpose of the business development, they obtained a grant of 30,000 lari from the agency Enterprise Georgia, and they purchased new machinery. Currently, we only have a laser device which can only process light materials. At the end of February, the new machinery should arrive, and we will soon have the opportunity to work on massive wood. At first, we will start producing tables or chairs, and then we plan to expand the range. As for raw materials, we think there is no problem in the market because there is a lot of imported wood. Accordingly, we plan to find materials on the local market, Nozadze says. According to her, the unfavorable environment for small business in the country stems from the fact that the only source of aid from the state is the grant program Enterprise Georgia. Lampino is a lamp producing company that appeared on the market in 2018. Georgian street food company Tamtaki is planning to open a new branch this year. Ekaterina Gegia, co-founder of the company, told BMWG about this. According to her, the exact location of the new branch isn't known, although it will be larger compared to the existing one. In order to fully organize the new branch, we need to invest about 120,000 lari, which will supposedly be a bank loan. Our products are becoming increasingly popular among tourists as well as local customers. This year, we are also going to expand the assortment, and the new Tamtaki will be represented in new branch, says Gegia. According to her, the company employs a total of 10 people. However, due to the fact that there is a staff shortage in the country, they are planning to find new staff through various platforms and internet contacts. Tamtaki is a Georgian street food company that offers regional dishes. The company offers both meat and products and vegetarian food. The price of Tamtaki dishes range from 9 lari to 20 lari. As for the sales of products, at this stage, the company is represented by one branch in Tbilisi-Vake district, and delivery service is also available. Spice-producing company Ojakhuri is expanding its exporting area and will sell its products to France this year. Salomon Eparidze, the company's public relations manager, told BMWG about this. The company has been operating on the market for 13 years and produces 90 types of products. According to the representative of Ojakhuri, the company's products are exported to 10 countries worldwide, including Germany, Poland, and Czech Republic. For the new year, we exported the company's products to Great Britain and carried carried out several exporting activities in America. In a few weeks, our spices should go to France initially in small quantities. Out of 90 types of products, 21 will be exported to France, says Neparidze. According to her, the company has added new products to its assortment, including chili sauces as well as innovations in spices. Company Ojakhuri has been operating on the market for 13 years and currently produces about 90 types of spices. In addition, the company's activity products marinades, sauces and jams, which are sold on both local and international markets.
The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.